Go.
Go what?
You're going to have to explain, Helena, why you're
right.
so obsessed with fire.
Why we're standing like this?
Why we're standing like this? Well, we're standing like this because Paul has arranged us into standing like this. We're just about to go off up the hill, dig a hole, put this in it, and ignite it.
Very good.